Alright guys, welcome back. As I said from my last video, I'll just time lapse here. So I want to go over a few things here. I was just creating the rig at this point. Let's see. So I decided to go with just two bones for her fingers, two sets of bones, the thumb and the other three fingers, and her legs. So the thing is, I do one side, and you can rename them and put like .l for the left side, and then I could symmetrize it, and it puts all the bones to the other side. So these bones I'm creating is for the IK, for the IK. I was having a bit of issue with it, so good. Let's see what I'm doing. Okay, so right here the bones they weren't deforming right, so I was trying to like repaint them, but I eventually leave it because it's having too much trouble. So for the tutorial I didn't bother with it, so yeah. Okay, so right here I'm making the animations. So I'm starting off creating the idle. With the new exporter GLTF, you don't have to make it into an action. I don't think you had to, but people used to use the Collada exporter, and I think they always wanted you to use it. So now I'm not using that. So I'm just creating them and then making a new action, like copying the original one, and then go from there. And here I was creating the rolling pin because I kind of completely forgot about it. But yeah, alright guys.
Let's go.
Okay, so for right here, I'm creating just the arm swing. It's gonna be blended in with the other automation. So while I'm running, I could be swinging. I'll show you in Godot when it's completed. Alright guys, I'm gonna do all the other characters off camera, and then back in Godot I'm gonna just start working on them again, creating the animations properly in there. So thanks for watching guys.